Alright guys, Justin here. So the last time you saw the house, it looked like this, but you haven't seen the inside, and that's where we're doing all the work now that we are back from our summer break. We've been off for a couple months for a couple reasons, but now we got lots of work to do inside. So before we show you the star of the show today in the bathroom, quick tour. You can see over here we have Sharon and Peanut in Sharon's office with her temporary desk setup. Over here will be the living room. Right now it's mostly tool storage, but we'll have a couch back there. We'll be looking at a TV over there. And so coming this way, we've got the kitchen. So now I'm standing about where the island will be. We'll have a cooktop here looking out that window. We'll have our sink here looking out that window. We'll have some refrigerators there. We'll have some storage back here. So that's the kitchen. You'll kind of come through here. This is more or less actually the closet when you come in here, I suppose. Right now it's water heater storage. So there'll be a closet in here. If we turn and go this way, it's the bedroom. This is where the bed will be. Right now it is Justin's temporary office. Over here will be Justin's actual office, which is right now temporary insulation storage, it looks like. Okay, coming back here, we're in the closet again. And now there'll be some washing machines back here. Now we're in the bathroom. There'll be a vanity. And like I said, the point of this whole episode, I suppose, what we've been working on the last couple days is this shower pan. So this pan is made by a company called Tile Redi. And essentially they make these either preformed or custom shaped shower pans where it's all one complete unit. So everything you see in black here is basically it was all shipped together. So it has an integrated drain. If you come down here, you can maybe see it has a built-in slope. So it's already pre-sloped. So basically that's the name, Tile Redi. It's ready to just be tiled directly over it. Saves us a bunch of work rather than trying to make a pan out of mortar, which is a difficult thing to do. So in terms of the shower, this little curbless part here, that's where the door will be to come in. We still have to frame this wall on this side, but we left that out for now to make it easier to get in. If you come down here, you can see what we did to set it. We had to come up with this 1/2-inch self-leveling concrete is this layer, and then there's the thin set that we put on top of that to sort of embed the pan into. So besides that prep, the only other thing was getting the drain height right. So you may remember from the slab video, we set all of our shower drains, so I had to cut it down a little bit lower to make it fit and get that in there. Okay, next up, the other thing we've been working on is this masterpiece of a toilet. It's a wall-hung toilet, so you can see there's this blue frame part. It gets screwed into the studs on the side, which holds it up. It's got the bowl already mounted to it. These are the temporary little brackets, or sorry, not brackets, but temporary spacers. So there'll be an actual finished wall between the toilet and the frame. So those are just to kind of space it out so we can see how it'll fit on there. There's one more piece, which is the washlet that goes on top to really, make it a super great toilet experience. I don't know how interested you are in toilets. Now we can go around to the back side and show you what it took to get this thing installed. Basically, this was our 3-inch drain coming out of the slab. That was a vent for that drain. It was a little bit close. So this thing can sit in a thinner wall. Right now we've actually got it framed with 2x8s, treated ones in case there was a water leak someday. That way they won't have any trouble about that. Anyway, so you get the there's a lot of measuring to do, making sure it's going to line up okay with the drain, because that goes straight into the back of the toilet like that for the outlet, and the same thing for the water inlet. Over here is where the pressure water will come in, goes up to the top, fills up the tank, and then when you flush it, that's what goes out through here into the bowl. So it's quite the thing to figure out. The directions aren't the best, but between getting it framed in and getting all the plumbing connections to work, took quite a bit of dry fitting and testing and so forth. So that's what we've been doing. We'll try to make more of these videos kind of quick with what we've been doing, since we're not going to finish any one thing at a time. And so I think that's it for this one. We'll see you next time.